Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix error code E8f-f on Forza Horizon 6. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to Forza Horizon here, press on the three dots, manage, and then you need to go to files and browse. Then you should see a Forza Horizon 6 game saves. So what you need to do here is to just go to game save, then go to PGS, and you will see this file here. So what you need to do here is to rename, basically back up this file here. So copy and paste it to your desktop or whatever you like. So first we need to have this backup here. Then you just need to press and rename this file here. So rename it like, I don't know, dash alt or something like that. Then what you need to do here is to go to a Forza Xbox app and then press on here, go to settings, and then you need to go to app and then offline mode permissions enabled. Or simply you can just disable your internet and launch the game in offline mode. And once you're in the game, try to reconnect to your internet and look at if the problem persists after that. And if you want to simply use your save again, you just need to close the game, press on the three dots, manage. Then you need to go to, as you can see here, browse, game save, PGS, and then you can just rename it again like normal, or simply you can delete this file here and drag it from your desktop. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.